Hey everybody, I just want to tell you about a couple of Tamiya projects I have going on this weekend. First, I just came back from practice and I managed to hit the wall and broke the Raikiri body pretty hard. I am going to repair it with some ShoeGoo and this Tamiya mesh tape. And I'll show you how I'm going to do that in a video coming up this weekend. And then the second project is on the Plasma Edge 2. I'm going to take all the links off because I'm going to replace them. But first I need to take them all off and measure them and see how big they are. Then I'm going to take this upstairs and kind of build them to length and then bring them back down here and install them. So those are the two Tamiya projects I have going on this weekend. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.